Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What deficiency causes teeth grinding? Having a vitamin deficiency, such as of calcium or magnesium, may be linked with teeth grinding, so it's important to follow a well-balanced, nutritious diet and take a multivitamin supplement if needed. What vitamins help teeth grinding? Vitamin C may help lower your stress levels. Magnesium promotes a better night's sleep, and B-complex vitamins can reduce stress and depression. Adding these vitamins to your diet can help overcome your bruxism. Is teeth grinding a symptom of sleep apnea? A person suffering from OSA wakes up frequently during the night as their respiratory system shuts down intermittently and disturbs their breathing patterns. The National Sleep Foundation estimates that 1 in 4 people with sleep apnea also show signs of bruxism or grinding of their teeth. Can vitamin D deficiency cause teeth grinding? Conclusions. Sleep bruxism was associated with vitamin D deficiency and low consumption of calcium, and was also associated with increased scores of anxiety and depression. Further investigations should be performed to check if vitamin D and calcium supplementation could relieve sleep bruxism.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.